Hi, this is James Leishman here with Nordhavn Yachts, currently in Istanbul, Turkey. Behind me is our Telegram and Partners factory where we build our 41 and our 51. Next door is our lamination room, and this is the finish room. Just want to give you a quick tour and kind of an update of the two projects. So I'm aboard hole number 27 of the 41 project, and this boat's sitting here in our test tank, and it'll be finished and ready to ship out in about 2 weeks. All right, well, we're obviously inside the factory now, and you can see 41s all lined up here, and they're in various stages of construction. It's pretty neat to see. Behind me is number 34. As we move down, you can see hole number 30, and we continue. And you can see how they progress as we move along. Number 32, and we move along. We're going to see number 29. Okay, so right behind me is 41 number 28. These are actually my clients, and this boat will move to the test tank, and then it will be prepared for shipping, and this boat will be headed to West Palm Beach at our office there. All right, right behind me you can see a 41 deck that's laid up in the house, and then as we move along here, this is actually a 41 that's going to go into the test tank shortly, and you can see how it's got bottom paint, the props are on, and it's nearly finished. All right, as I move down the factory line, you can see behind me here is 51 number 2, and this boat's going to be finished. It doesn't look quite finished, obviously, but it'll come together. I would think in the next couple of months this boat will be ready to go into the test tank. Yeah, so these are brand new 41 propellers that are just waiting to be installed, and behind me we've got a locked area with generators and all sorts of equipment. So we're looking here at the interiors. This is a mixture of 41s and 51s. You can see how everything is beautifully done. In this process, this will all be moved into the varnish room, which is just across the way here. Yeah, so I'm standing here with 10 sets of 41, the front of the wheelhouse. This is where the glass will go in for the windshield. So it's pretty neat to see this process if you're building one of these boats. So what I've got behind me here is about 20 sets of masts for the 41. These are all built here at this factory, beautifully powder coated, and they're just sitting here ready to be installed. Okay, so now we're in the second building. This is the layup room, and it's a little loud in here, but behind me is 51 number 4. Congratulations, Dan. This boat will be coming to Dana Point when it's completed. So you can see a 51. This is the deck mold. So it'll be popped out and it's inverted. It'll be turned over, and that'll go on hole number 4. So behind me we're looking at 51 number 4. The interior's going in, and these overhead cranes above me, they'll drop in generators, engines, and then once those heavy pieces of equipment are in, then the deck will go on, and then the boat will move up the line in production. All right, we're looking at 51 number 5, and this boat is actually in the mold. So once that hull cures, the overhead cranes will pull that the hull out, and it will continue up the line in production. So I'm standing next to a set of brand new John Deere 4.5 liter engines, and these will be craned in to the boat behind me, hole number 3. Yeah, thanks for following along and watching this quick tour of our factory in Istanbul, Turkey. I'm off to the 51 hole number 1 in the marina and headed for Greece.